Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 apps to hide photos on Android. Let's start with Google Photos. You may already have this app installed. It includes a locked folder where you can store photos and videos securely using your screen lock or fingerprint. Once added, these files won't show up in your gallery or backups. Next up is KeepSafe Photo Vault. This is one of the most trusted apps for hiding photos. You can lock files with a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, and it also offers fake logins and break-in alerts. Third on the list is OneGallery. It works as both a gallery app and a secure vault. Your files are protected with AES encryption, so they're fully secured, not just hidden. After that comes PhotoLock. Hide pictures and videos. This app includes features like a fake crash screen, intruder selfies, and even a calculator disguise for extra stealth. Finally, there's LockMyPics Secret Photo Vault. It uses strong encryption, works offline, supports decoy vaults, and even lets you store files on an SD card. So those are the 5 best apps to hide photos on Android. Whether you want basic privacy or strong security, there's an option for you. Thanks for watching.